Heavy machining, stability and precision. The key assets of the machine that we're looking at today. The FVM series double column machining center from Chevalier. Chevalier has a huge range of double column machining centers to suit all of their customers' machining requirements. Dynamic heavy machining is the key to the FVM series, and its special design features dramatically enhance the stability and rigidity of these machines under heavy loading. We have the one-piece machine base, along with oversized box-designed double columns. The bridge head interface is also a special slant design to make sure that the spindle is always centrally positioned for even force distribution throughout the structure. To enhance the movement precision of the machine, we also have oversized boxways on the Y and Z axis, which are widely spaced to provide extra wide head support. The slideways are also treated with special wear-resistant material and also feature special cross-scraping to provide super smooth movement whilst maintaining very high wear resistance for durability. On the Z-axis, we can also see the suspension-supported double counterbalancing cylinders, which are located close to the center of gravity to eliminate uneven torque and guarantee positional and machining accuracy. Chevalier have spared no expense with the FVM, and the highest possible quality imported components have been used throughout. There are German INA slide and guideways on the X-axis, as well as INA cylindrical roller bearings for heavy-duty support, and also INA ball screw sliding support. Guarantees smooth, high precision, no backlash movement, even under very heavy loading. To gain maximum benefit from the high-torque ZF gearbox requires a very special spindle, and Chevalier uses NN-type double-row cylindrical roller bearings in the spindle to guarantee that cutting power is maximized without the danger of chattering. The FVL series is cooled throughout with high pressure through spindle and through tool cooling available, and spindle jet cooling as standard to make sure that spindle heat deformation is never an issue with the FVM. The control box on the FVM uses uniquely designed military-grade connectors which ensure that no misconnections can be made even by inexperienced operators. Additionally, the control panel can be equipped with independent hand-wheel controls for maximum operator convenience. Chevalier also provides the options of either a 5-axis 90-degree or universal head to further enhance the operational flexibility of the FVM series for customers. To truly produce a machine capable of very heavy machining, it is not enough just to have a few great components and a nice German motor. Each and every single part of the machine must be designed and built to guarantee that there is no weak link in the chain. This machine from Chevalier has achieved this goal. All of these superb components, coupled with the unique design, come together to provide a unified, dynamic heavy machining experience for all of the FVM series customers.